Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Norland, Ontario. This peaceful village sits along the Gull River in the Kawartha Lakes region, surrounded by rolling hills, forests, and beautiful lakes. Norland's history dates back to the mid-1800s, when settlers arrived to farm the land and take advantage of the river for milling and transport. Whether you're paddling down the river, grabbing an ice cream by the bridge, or just watching the sunset, Norland welcomes you with its simple, natural beauty. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Norland, Ontario.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!